Hello everyone, I'm Vicky from CompanySync.io and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're diving into the Expenses widget, a key tool for efficiently managing your business's financial outflows. Whether you need to track billable or non-billable expenses, categorize transactions, or extract expense reports for a specific year, this widget has you covered. Let's explore its features and how it can help streamline your expense management process. First off, let's dive into the purpose of the Expenses widget. This is basically designed to help businesses keep detailed records of all expenses while simplifying tracking and reporting. With features like categorization, receipt attachments, and advanced configuration options, you'll gain better insights into your company's spending habits and ensure accurate financial reports. Let's walk through the dashboard. Here in the Expenses dashboard, you'll find a comprehensive summary of your expenses. You can select a year to extract details using the drop-down menu on the upper left side of the screen. The summary includes total expenses, billable and non-billable expenses. Billable expenses are those invoiced or can be invoiced to customers, while non-billable expenses are internal or unrelated invoicing. We also have not invoiced and billed expenses. Not invoiced are expenses that haven't yet been added to an invoice, and billed, those already invoiced to customers. This high-level overview allows you to quickly assess your expense distribution and status. Now let's start with recording expenses. To record expenses, click the Add New Expense button. You'll be directed to a form with two key sections. We have the Expense and the Advanced options. In the Expense tab, here's what you need to fill in. By the way, take note that you need to add a brief description of the expense for easier tracking. You need to attach the receipt, upload a copy of the receipt for your reference, and then you click on the name. When you put the name, make sure that you've actually included the name in the receipt or where the receipt is from. Okay, let's say Lowe's or other suppliers. Then you put a note. Say, for example, this is an additional materials, and you put additional materials here. Then we have the expense category. There are different categories that you can add, or that if you already have one, just copy and paste or create one for your list for easier tracking. Let's say I'll put job materials here, and then you put the expense date and then the amount, say $200. And then you choose a customer. We'll link the expense to a specific customer if applicable. Say we hit Kevin Stone. There's a drop down. And then you hit Save. In the Advanced option, there's currency, there's tax if applicable. Then we have a payment mode. Say this is a cash. And then you have a reference number. And then repeat This is for recurring expenses. However, if it's none, then you don't have to put anything or just keep it blank. Then you hit Save. Once all fields are completed, it will record the expense by hitting the Save button. Again, one of the benefits of the expense widgets, or a few of the benefits, we have first off improved financial transparency because you can track every expense with clear categorizations and detailed records. Second, we have streamlined reporting. You can easily extract data by year for tax filings or internal reviews. Third, efficient management. You can automate recurring expenses and link costs directly to customers for seamless billing. And lastly, we have better organization. You can attach receipts and other relevant documentation for a complete financial history. That wraps up our tour of the Expenses widget. With this tool, managing your company's finances becomes easier, more accurate, and far more efficient. Should you have any questions or require further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to your system admin or CRM support team. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I'm Vicky from CompanySync.io, and I look forward to walking you through more features in our next session.